Hi guys, today we're exploring the greenhouse, so let's get started. So first we're gonna show you around. This is a stain. Oh, that's her right there. Okay, and this is like these, the signs, and there's the stickers. These are for that. This is the seeds. You know this? It's like for smashing up things. You know like that video that makes mash? Yeah, you should watch that. Supporting him. These are plants. Oh yeah. And there in the back of here, it's like a pot. And there's a shelf. And the funnest thing is that there is a door right here you can open. There's this black thing inside, and then if you it just opens by itself, so the bugs can come in. And yeah, so let's close that.
Where the girl is
Oh yeah, stop. Stop it. I'm trying to close the door. Okay, boom. Now the door is closed. Now, if you guys don't want anyone to come in, all you need to do is just lock this. First, you need to lock it. Close that. Then lock. This door actually locks. Stop, Elena. This door actually locks, and then you'll just see them right there. Let's close it now. Boom. Okay, there's this hanging chair that hangs up here. Oh yeah, and there's a light. So there's a switch that says play. It stays on. And then there's a switch that says try me. If you see, it's off. If you see, try me, it just doesn't stay there for long. It's just showing you. I'm gonna show you the special part after. You can see that. We don't know how to do it yet. Shh, we do. Okay, let's get started opening. That's too much talking. You guys can look inside. Lay's just doing inside.
I am doing putting on her shoes.
You're doing nothing.
I'm not. Here, one piece.
You guys can look inside. Lay's just doing inside.
I am doing putting on her shoes.
You're doing nothing.
I'm not. No, that was a lot. Let's make to the salad and to the salad. Anybody, just come and get your lettuce. Look her neck. No, no. She had to take that off.
I swear. Maya is so weird.
Yes.
And then close your door, window, whatever it's called.
The door window.
Close it, Tab.
You come on the window. You come here.
What? No. Do I come in? I come in the back, right? Okay.
Oh,
Not.
you should have come in. Oh.
Not.
Who's there?
Hey, sister.
Oh, hi.
Okay.
You want to get a sleepover with me?
Yeah, but where's the beds? There's no beds anywhere.
Oh, there's a rocking chair.
Yeah, but how are we supposed to sleep in there?
There's just something. There's only one chair to rock on.
Oh, yeah. Then where am I gonna sleep?
Here, you're in it.
I don't need you.
I don't have to work for her. I have
What?
to. My mom is gonna come back, and then if he sees you, he's gonna be like, "What are you even here inside?" But I don't know how to put it on. I don't know how to put it on. Just put her on the chair. Yeah, just put her on the chair. I'm like, oh, baby. Yeah, just like that. My hand. I started to hurt my hand on me. Let's put the food right there. It's hard. My eyes. It's hard. sister. The mom pulled it up and then it just got into real. Nothing like here.
Guys, you want to see my bugs glow up? The chair like this. If you see this black thing, there's like this button. And if you press it, the bugs glow up. And put it on play so it can stay like that for a little bit. But a little bit longer than try me. Light.
And it has music or something?
Oh yeah, and it has this. And the other one, when it's nighttime. When it's morning. Okay, you can stop. Now, if you turn the house around, a little bit careful. This is the bugs. Turn the house around. Is this. The light, the light turns on, and boom. And here we go, opening the door. No. Boom. There's the inside. That's how we go.
For watching. I hope you have a fun day.
In the window!
Bye. Ah, she's spraying my windows. Get cover.
I got my bucket. Time to go back outside. Hello. I got 2 buckets. See? There's my buckets.
Bro, I don't know how to get it.